This is Carrie, your sales rep. Always on the road trying to sell your product to retailers. She has to determine what stores to visit, when to visit them, and in what order. She has to organize her big old presentation folder, throwing out the old stuff and inserting the new, and making sure everything is in order. Then she has to carry all her stuff into the store, see the buyer, show them the presentation, give them all the necessary information about new products, record all the store checks, and complete the order form. Whew, it's a messy job. But fortunately, Perenso can help. With the Perenso app, a cloud-based Salesforce automation tool for you and your sales reps that does order entry, stock takes, store check, cycle priorities, in-store compliance, competitor info, route planning, and everything else your sales rep needs, including a planner. Perenso replaces the pens, paper, and multiple platforms with an iPad and an all-in-one solution. Perenso gets rid of the many manual processes full of errors and duplication, allowing your reps to perform all their tasks, including making presentations and taking orders on an easy-to-use interface. You'll have instant online web-based reporting, so you can see instantly how your team is doing. Anywhere you can get online, you can see things like sales, coverage, and distribution of your products, all without an IT department because it's cloud-based. Your reps will love it because it'll make their jobs so much easier. And you'll love it because you'll be in control.